Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the basics, an active SIM and a valid carrier plan, because without service, nothing will connect. Next, enable cellular data and turn off airplane mode. Look for signal bars. Once done, physically inspect the SIM tray and reset the SIM. A loose card causes state errors. Make sure the phone recognizes the SIM. If it doesn't, test the SIM in a second device to separate hardware from software issues. Now configure the phone to talk to the carrier correctly. Open APN settings and ensure values match what the carrier requires, because a wrong APN blocks data. If auto network selection keeps failing, switch to manual and pick the correct carrier. This forces registration. Once done, consider a network settings reset to remove conflicting Wi-Fi, VPN, or cellular profiles. That clears corrupted state. Make sure to note Wi-Fi passwords, because resetting removes them. Finish by rebooting the device so all changes apply. Then verify voice, SMS, and mobile data work by loading a simple web page or calling. Once done, accept any carrier updates or operator profile prompts, because those push important network credentials. Make sure to run a quick speed check and note error messages. If the problem persists, try the SIM in another phone to isolate the issue, and contact your carrier with the SIM ID.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.